Hey everyone. Today I am going to show you my ice cream box. I got the new box. They did say they were changing the packaging, so I did get the new one this time. Pretty, I like that. It just arrived. Just arrived. I was getting ready to sit down and film something else, and that just arrived. So let us open the box. As you can see, I just peel it off. Ooh, the best things in life are sweet. I like that. I like that. This is nice. The best things in life are sweet. Oh, not just the little things, the simple little things. Ice cream beauty. And they have roses. I like that. They have roses and a cherry for you. Roses and a cherry for you. Okay, it's a match. And this is what the card looks like. It's all in green because, St. Patrick's is in March. St. Patrick's Day is in March. So it's a match beauty in art. And the writing is so small. It's a stained glass palette by Clarity Cosmetics. And it's worth $30. And there it is. It's packaged like this. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Well, Clarity Cosmetics, a pressed pigment palette. It comes with the shade saver. And this is what, this little palette is perfect green. This is the palette. Oh my good Lord, it is beautiful. This is nice. Take a look. I want you to see it. 6-pan palette, but it looks pretty. I am loving it. I am loving it. Yes. If you want a subscription box that's always going to have a palette, try the ice cream beauty box. I have noticed everyone have had a palette so far. This is my third one. The next item in the box, it says Artistic Palette by Base Blue Cosmetics. And they say it is $53. I've never heard of that one. Come packaged like this. The Artistic Eyeshadow Palette. This is it. It is covered with something on it. Without the plastic, this is the packaging. This slides off. Oh, it opens like a letter, a package. Really nice. Okay. I like that. And then this is the palette. But this is the packaging. How nice. Very nice. I like that. I like nice fancy things at a price I can afford. This is the palette. Wow. You gotta take this off, but this is just like the picture. Is that an eyeshadow palette? I guess it is. This is so pretty. This is the whole palette right here. Every single shade is part of the face. Double checking. They say the palette is inspired by the famous art piece, The Girl with the Pearl Earring by Johannes Vermeer. Okay, it is a palette. This is this is nice. I like that. It's like you don't even want to use it. You want to save it. You know what I mean? This is it. Wow. Okay. I like. The next thing on there, it says, dual. Next thing on there, say dual ended duochrome gloss stick by Chamasi Global, and it's $15. That's it right here. Let us open. Is that the, oh, that was, yeah, that was something I picked. Okay, that was the one I had to pick. The color is over here and the gloss is over here. Yeah. When I use it, I'll tell you about it. Next one, it's a liquid eyeshadow by Liquid eyeshadow by ZC Cosmetics, $20. It comes like this. And this is what this looks like. And this is a liquid eyeshadow. Lots of new things to try. Have a little basket there, so everything new goes in there. Okay, last but not least is the Dual Chrome Loose Pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics for $10. It's this. It's liquid. This is interesting. I will be having a little bit of fun with this. Ooh, it's loose. Okay, did I say liquid? If I said liquid, it's not liquid, it's loose pigment. It has a shift. Like they say, it's dual chrome. This is it right here. I don't want to spill it because, you know, if it's spilled, it goes everywhere. OMG. Okay, so these are all the items that came for match, and the box is as pretty can be. See that? Here's the ice cream. The ice cream is in the shape of a rose, the scoop of ice cream. This is a pretty box. Gorgeous. Thank you all again for watching. Please like this video and share it with somebody else. This is my ice cream box subscription. I signed up for 6 months, but I'm liking it so much I think I'll go back and add another 6 months to make it a year because I'm truly enjoying the palettes. Love you all dearly. Remember to spend a little bit of time with you and your thoughts daily, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.